Now is the time to introduce your child to a world of music. Thanks to eMedia's brilliant new instructional software for kids, ages 6 and up, eMedia's My Violin. Beautiful and delightful Val the Violin guides your child through learning the violin. eMedia's award-winning combination of multimedia technology and high-quality music instruction has taught more than 1 million users. Over 160 lessons will teach your child everything from the parts of their instrument and how to tune it, to learning to read music and playing complete songs. Lessons contained in My Violin were written by master violinist Sabina Scalar, a member of the prestigious New York City Ballet Orchestra, who has also taught violin for more than 30 years. eMedia has a proven track record of success in musical instruction and has received awards from Newsweek, PC Magazine, Mac Addict, The Toy Man, and more. There's no better visual aid than eMedia's animated Fingerboard. It gives students the feedback they need to get their fingers in the right place on the violin neck. Playing the violin in tune is made easier with eMedia's revolutionary finger tracker technology. Your child will see in real time the finger adjustments they need to make in order to play notes correctly. All songs are live recorded audio, or choose the MIDI track to change the speed of the music. You can highlight and loop any section you wish to make learning easier. My Violin comes with a built-in recorder that allows you to capture your progress and share it with your friends and family. You won't need to purchase a separate metronome either, as it's also built in, to allow you to work on your rhythm and timing. Games make learning and playing songs fun and exciting. Which is the lower half of the bow? With over 160 lessons, eMedia My Violin is an easy and fun way to learn to play the violin at any age, but especially for the young ones.